Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand how to declare a structure tag. So, what is this structure tag is? A structure tag is the name used to identify the particular kind of a structure. So, in order to uniquely identify each and every structure declaration, we can provide structure tags. C is having a facility called structure tags. In our previous example, we have seen this structure declaration. So in this structure declaration, for example, in our program we want to declare two different structures. This structure is for students and this structure is for teachers. But what we have is all the members of the structure, both the structure members are of same names, right? And we want to get some clarity which structure is which one. So in order to uniquely identify, identify a particular kind of structure, we can give the structure tags. So what these structure tags and how can we give the structure tags is here beside this struct we can name this tag. We can give a name to this structure. Okay, so that unique name is what we call it as a structure tag. Okay, so here what we will do is, this is for student, so we will name it as student, and this is for teacher, so we will name it as teacher. Okay, so this structure is identified as student structure and this structure is now identified as teacher structure. Okay, so now we haven't given the names of the variables. Consider this as one after the another. For better understanding, we have given it as side by side. So just consider it as a part of the program. Both the structures are part of the program and they are sequentially written. Okay, now how to declare the variables for this structure? We have created a structure. So one more point, that very important point that we have to understand is, after executing these lines of code until here, both these structures after one after the other, if they are there, means after executing both the structures, the memory will not be created. This is very important point to understand. So after executing this structure, the memory for this structure will not be created. The memory for this structure will be, for any structure, will be created only if the variables are declared. We haven't declared any variables here. We haven't declared any variables here. The variables are to be declared. So how to declare the variables for a specific structure type? So that can be done by using struct. We have to use this struct type structure tag or structure type is student. This is same as that of int. Struct student means for this. Int means as we are going to give the data type as int, this is the same declaration which states that student is a structure. And the variables for this student structure is stu1 comma stu2. Now after executing this line of code, then only the memory will get created. Okay, so before that, we are going to read the members of the variables, but the memory will not get created. So after creating the variables, then only the memory for this structure will get created. So as we have visualized the concept in our previous classes, so how the memory will get created. Okay, for this structure type, structure type, how to the same way, if you want to create the variables for this structure type, it is struct. This use of this struct is very important. Teacher, so it states that, so the use of this structure states that teacher is the name of a structure, is the tag of a structure, and the variables for the teacher are teach1, teach2. So the names can be of any types. So any we can give it as X or Y, Z, that also. For better understanding, we have given it as teach 1 and teach 2, stu 1 and stu 2, student 1 and student 2. Okay, so this is the use of the structure tag to uniquely identify each and every structure. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.